Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys smash that like button and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And as always, let's jump right into it. But before we do, make sure you guys check out the link in my description for my new Patreon page where I'm going to be starting this in November of 2020. It's pretty much where you could see one of my specific trading portfolios that I've created for my Patreon page. For both stocks, stock dividends, and option trades. So when you become a member, you'll actually be able to see what I buy and sell every time I make a move in that portfolio. And also there will be educational stock market videos you can't find anywhere else but private videos from YouTube directly through the Patreon page. So as always, make sure you can sign up and let's jump into it. So today's topic is actually a pretty cool code if you're using Thinkorswim. It's a timer bell. Okay, and as you guys could see, it's right here, and if you go to the settings, you could say, hey, I want this to change every 1 minute, okay, or you could say every 5 minutes. And what this code actually does is every 1 minute, if I have it set to 1 minute, every 1 minute on the minute, it'll actually ring a little bell. So a new candle will form. If you're looking at a 5-minute chart, maybe you want to be notified every 5 minutes there's a new candle form. This will actually ring a bell. So it's just more of a minute or timer bell. Let's say you're watching a 15-minute chart. Or an hour chart, but you only want this bell to go off every 15 minutes, just come in here, go 15, enter. You could say for the alerts, enable, disable them, show them. You could change the different sound to a bell, a ding, a ring, chime, something like that. And so what will happen, so you could see, is let's say there's a minute, you will get something. Of course it won't do it now, right? Let's see if we could do it on the 1 minute to try and make this. There you go. And you'll get a little alert up here with a bell saying, hey, 1 minute's up, it's a new camera, or sorry, a new candle. Still trying to learn how to speak, but I will leave a description of this code with this chart, so it's all on there for you down below in the description that you could download and use on your own Thinkorswim. But as always, thank you for watching my videos, and remember to check out the new Patreon page with the new portfolio that I'm starting up. But till next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.